Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Emma.
We're from Ilkley Youth Choir, and this is the tutorial for the people who have been assigned Avi for the White Winter Hymnal. Okay, here we go. So the first bar is double knees 3 times on the beat, which is quite nice. You just let go 1, 2, 3, and then a syncopated double chest. So go 1, 2, 3, chest, chest, and there's 2 of those. So let's practice that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then the second bar is a double click. You rub your hands and it sounds like this. It's cool, isn't it? So click, rubble, done, and this is a bit safe for everyone to go left knee, centre knee, right knee. So let's try that. Okay, so from the second bar, so double click, rub hands. 3, 4. Left, centre, right. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the second bar. Then the third bar is going to be double knee centre, double knee right, and double knee centre, and then chest, chest. It's exactly the same as the first bar, but the second beat, instead of just going straight on the chest, you go to the right on the second beat. So you go centre, right, centre, chest, chest. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, right, centre, chest, chest. And then, let's do that a couple more times, just get it. 3, 4. Right. And then the last bit is going to be double click, clap, 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 wait, clap. Okay, let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try sticking that all together now with a bit of clever camera editing. Here we go.
1,
2, 3,
4.
So practice that without the singing to start with. You have to do it, unfortunately, until it becomes second nature. Start slowly, get it right slowly, and then build up the speed. Break it down bar by bar, like we did, and then slowly stick it together, and then you'll be amazing. We're going to post down below a copy of what Avi claps in as well. So if you have a look below, you'll be able to see that, hopefully.
Excellent.